The Revell Visible V8 Engine Kit is an exceptional educational tool that offers a hands-on experience to understand the workings of an internal combustion engine. With a scale of 1 to 4, this model features 314 intricately designed parts that simulate the motion of pistons and connecting rods, providing a realistic view of engine mechanics. The kit includes a hand crank that operates the pistons, camshaft rocker arms, and valves, allowing users to see and understand the dynamic process of an engine in motion. Revell has thoughtfully included a rubber fan belt and vinyl ignition wires to enhance the authenticity of the model, making it a delight for both hobbyists and educators. Designed for those aged 13 and above, this Skill Level 5 kit challenges and engages users, making it a perfect project for budding engineers and model enthusiasts. Complete with illustrated assembly instructions and a display stand, this kit not only educates, but also serves as an impressive showcase piece for any collection.